In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email automation from scratch. We're going to set up a simple workflow that sends an email automatically when someone joins your list. To begin, head to the main menu and open Automations. This is the control center where all your automated workflows live. If your interface looks a little different, look for a section labeled Automations or something similar in your navigation. Next, open Flow Templates. This area provides pre-built options, but today we'll start clean so you understand the essentials. Choose Build from Scratch. Starting from scratch gives you full control over the structure and logic of your flow, which is great if you want to keep things simple or customize later. You'll be asked to pick an automation type. Select Email Automation. This tells the system you want the flow to send emails based on the rules you define. Other types might exist, but for this tutorial we're focusing purely on email. Now it's time to set your trigger, which is what starts the automation. Choose when someone subscribes if you want every new contact to receive your message the moment they join your list. If you already organize contacts with tags and want the flow to start only for specific segments, you can use when tag is added. That option is more advanced and helpful when you need tighter control over who gets what. Click Start Building to open the visual editor for your flow. This is where you add the steps that happen after the trigger fires. Add your first action by clicking Add Email. This places an email step right after the trigger, so your new subscribers get a message automatically. Now edit the email. Write a clear, benefit-focused subject line that sets expectations like, "Welcome, here's your guide," or "Thanks for joining us." In the message content, keep it friendly and concise. Introduce your brand, explain what subscribers can expect next, and consider offering a helpful resource or quick next step. If your platform supports personalization, you can reference the subscriber's first name to make it feel more tailored. Keep links descriptive and make sure your tone matches your brand. When you're happy with the content, click Save. Saving locks in your changes so the automation can use your latest version. Finally, click Turn on Automation. This activates the workflow so it runs automatically whenever the trigger conditions are met. From this point forward, new subscribers, or those who receive the tag, if you chose that trigger, will get your email without any manual effort. That's it. You've built a clean, reliable email automation from scratch.